Hello, everyone, and welcome to today's video on the online birth certificate processing system. In an era of digital transformation, government services are evolving too, and that includes the way we handle essential documents like birth certificates. Birth certificates are not just pieces of paper, they are vital records that establish our identity and citizenship. And that's where the online birth certificate processing system comes into play. Nowadays, people have become too dependent on technology in running their errands. Almost everything that is done manually has now a technological alternative, where people can accomplish it electronically. The capstone project, entitled Online Birth Certificate Processing System, is a web-based system designed to automate the process of requesting original copies of birth certificates. The system will streamline the transaction between the PSA office and individuals who ask for an original copy of their birth certificate. To fill in the gap mentioned above, the researchers proposed the development of the online birth certificate processing system. The proposed project will streamline the transactions between the PSA office and the people in processing birth records. The end users can utilize the system to make electronic requests to get an original copy of their birth certificates. The PSA office will verify the request and process it right after verification and approval. The system will also have the SMS notification feature, to update clients about the status of their requests. The said system will ease up the whole birth certificate processing. The PSA staff and their clients can save time and effort as well as money to accomplish the completion of birth records. The following are the proposed features of the project. Watch the video on how to download and install the template. Download link is the description box below. Before we wrap up, I want to extend a heartfelt thank you for watching this video. Your time and attention are greatly appreciated. If you found the information valuable, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell, so you never miss an update from us. Your support motivates us to continue sharing insights and innovations in technology. So, thank you once again for being a part of our community. Until next time, stay tuned, stay curious, and keep exploring the ever-evolving world of technology with us. Thank you, and have a fantastic day.